I can feel the excitement in the air. We are back dito lang sa 50th MMFF Gabi ng Parangal. And right about now, we are so ready to reveal the winners of Best Actor and Best Actress.
Yes, I am super excited talaga kasi ito yung dalawa sa pinaka-hinihintay na awards ngayong gabi. Kaya sino kaya, guys? Sino ang makakakuha ng pinaka-mahuhusay na aktor ngayong taon?
You know, the Best Actor and Best Actress categories were brought to you by Playtime. Wow.
To present the award for the Best Actress category,
Please welcome, we got one of the stars of MMFF 50 entry uninvited. We got Mr. Tirso Cruz III.
and Makati Mayor Abby Binay, and one of our country's best actors, General John Arcilla.